I'm here on the Utopia of the Seas, Deck 8, Room 632, and this is a junior suite. This is the entry-level suite into the suite categories here on Royal Caribbean. But let's take a look. You even get the suite card that says Suite C-Class, the base class. First impressions. It is a wide room. Initially, you can tell right off the bat things look a little different. We have a Lavazza espresso machine, and she gave me extra coffee because she knows how much I like my coffee, with a very good condensed milk creamer. It's really rich. Ample lighting, plenty of storage. Here's a closet. You might be thinking what I first thought. Wow, that's it? Oh, I have this. I spoiled the surprise. And I thought this was the restroom. I came in, I opened it. It's not. It's the walk-in closet. Yep, you have a shelf pretty much all the way up top there. Multiple cubbies or shelves. Sorry for my mess. Those are my clothes. Plenty of hangers and hanging space. You can even hang down here if you want it a little lower. We get our more elevated bathrobes here. This is the first time I've sailed in a cruise ship with a closet, walk-in closet. This is pretty much similar in every room, this part right here, minus the espresso and this light fixture here. That's a good shot of me. Again, with Royal Caribbean and most of their ships, you get a nice seat here with a back to work at a desk or put on your makeup, get ready for whatever, the evening. You got plenty of electrical outlets down here, as well as now USB-C and USB-A built in. Also here on the side of each bed, you have another outlet integrated into this lamp and a USB-C as well. This bed is configured into a king. You can have two twins in here, two twin size beds. This is really a queen, I think. They call it a king. And you can see she is sitting here on the couch, which can also be a pull-out bed, and someone can sleep up there. Above her is the trundle bed, and the ladder for that is in that closet, which leads us here to our sitting area. We were only here for 3 days, so we didn't really fully unpack. What's the point? Here's our large TV. Here's a sitting area. I think they should have 2 chairs, but maybe the space was tight, one on this side. Let's go check out this very spacious balcony. We are in Nassau today, and across from us is the Liberty of the Seas. Let's come out here, pan around. You can see pretty much how deep it is. We are also on a part of the ship where it kind of bulbs out, like pushes out a little bit, so we get a little more space depth. And that's about how much wider these rooms are. This section here, it's about 1/3 wider. I would say a good 4 feet wider. That's the normal width of a room, standard room, and a width of a balcony. The depth is a little bit wider on this side. That should be about the standard depth there. Great windows here also. Like all that noise, but when you close it, it goes away. We have this nice little peekaboo window here on the side, which is perfect for laying in bed because you can leave this open and get some natural light coming in the mornings to wake you. I'm really impressed with this room. This was a casino offer, but this is the entry level into the suite category again. So this is the bottom of the upper echelon. That's what I like to lovingly call it. You do get your fridge, of course, your chiller. You can ask to have minibar stuff in there. That's our personal stuff. They have forms here, but you can see the prices are a little bit steep. Water, soft drinks, sports, and energy drinks. There are minibar order sheets. Of course, the breakfast stuff. This is standard. Free continental breakfast in the mornings. You just write it out. And the American breakfast is there is an extra delivery fee of $7.95. After tips and gratuity, it's about $9, maybe almost 10. Same thing with here's the menu for the room service. Everything is included, but there is a delivery fee, not per item. The total order has a delivery fee, which is cool. So you can get the Wagyu beef royal burger. I do really think they have really great wings, chicken wings, wherever they are. Oh yeah, right here. Chicken wings, they're really good. I was impressed with that. But again, there's that $7.95 fee. It was about $10 or something like that. But it's well worth it if you don't want to leave your room. I'm saving the best for last, as you probably noticed. You also get this little pillow. That's different. Most rooms you don't get the little throw pillow. That's our little bonus here. So this room gives us access to the coastal kitchen, which I'm hoping to go there tonight. That's the suite only dining room. You do have a floor to ceiling full length mirror here, right off the closet. And let's turn on this light. So this way it kind of looks standard. It's oriented a little different, and I love the way the toilet has a lot more space around it. Bigger people understand what I'm talking about. But we have a tub. There is a tub here, a shower tub combo. The tub is not large, but Brittany was able to have a nice bath in there, and she enjoyed it. It was quite slick. She did say it's real slippery, the surface. So you might want to put one of these smaller towels in there with you to sit on or stand on if you're planning to fill it up with water and make it kind of slippery. You do get a few more amenities. You get this amenity kit here, which is yours to keep. The inside is just very, just basic Q-tips. There's a nail file, that kind of stuff. You do get lotion, a bottle of lotion to use. And this is a door, which is pretty cool. You think it's gonna hit, but it's not. It will stay there if you're taking a bath or getting in and out. And you do get conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Conditioners in the back, which is nice. It's a nice extra little perk. Other than that, and the access to the coastal kitchen, the priority embarkation, which was great. We love that. It helped us get right in. We could skip, about a 10-minute line, because Royal Caribbean's usually pretty good. And you do get the espresso machine. Unlimited good coffee if you like espresso in your room. And it saved me money. I have not purchased one coffee yet on this sailing. Highly recommend it. That's it for the tour here of the Junior Suite on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. And what do you think about this room? I don't think we would pay full price for this, but definitely this was the best casino offer we've ever had. And thank you, Royal Caribbean. We appreciate that. And the room is lovely. Our room steward is lovely. And it's a great space to relax in. And the coffee, the espresso is definitely awesome. We love the tub too. Tell me down below what you think about this room. Would you want to stay in a room like this? I would love this room for a long sailing, like a 14-day transatlantic. It would be awesome. All right, bye for now. Bye-bye.